everyone, it's me DGB Diwata, and once again welcome back to my channel. And for today's vlog, I will be reacting to the cover song of Franz Rhythm, When the Children Cry, popularized by none other than White Lion. Ayan, it's been a long time, naging busy po ako sa aking hospital duty, kaya ngayon lang uli ako makakagawa ng reaction video. At marami na po sa atin na nagre-request ng mga kanta ng ating favorite na family band Franz Rhythm. Kaya let's go, pakinggan na po natin ang When the Children Cry. Ito na. Wow! Ang galing ni Daddy Franz, ha? Galing ni Daddy. Namiss ko kaya to.
A little child, dry your crying eyes. How can I explain the fear you feel inside? 'Cause you were born into this evil world where man is killing man and no one knows just why. What have we become?
Wow, ang blending!
Just look what we have done. All that we destroy, you must build again. When the children cry, let them know we try. 'Cause when the children sing, then the new world begins. Little child, you may show the way to a better day for all the young. As you were born for all the world to see, that we all can live with love and peace. No more presidents and all the wars will end.
Ganda ng blending ng magkapatid, ha?
One united world under God. When the children cry,
Charles,
let them know we try. Send the children sing, let the new world begin. We have done all that we destroyed, you must build again. No more presidents and all the wars will end. One united world under God. When the children cry, let them know we try. 'Cause when the children fight, let them know we're right. 'Cause when the children pray, let them know the way. 'Cause when the children sing, let the new world begin.
Daddy Franz, yung pitik ang ganda. Oh my God. Ang galing, grabe, ya. O diba, nasulit ang pagkikita ni DJB. Grabe, ang tagal. And medyo natagalan ako na makagawa ng reaction video, pero sobrang ganda, nasulit grabe yung grabe yung galing ng magkapatid, ang ganda nung combination ng blending ng kanilang mga voices. And of course, syempre si Daddy Franz, hindi talaga namang napakahusay, napakalamig sa tenga, ang sarap pakinggan ng kanyang pagtipa, yung pagpitik niya ng bawat ng strings. And si Chen, oh my God, Chen, you nailed it, sobrang galing hanggang sa dulo, oh my God, napakagaling. And napakalamig ng voices ng magkakapatid, ang ganda ng blending, ng harmony. Ang message na kantang to, naging napaka-soulful ng pagkakakanta ng ng magkakapatid. And of course, sabi nga, the children are the future of the new generation. And kailangan pa ba na marinig natin ang iyak ng mga kabataan para lang magising tayo sa isang katotohanan at magising tayo sa isang masasabi natin na pagkakamali ng na hindi lang sa bansang Pilipinas, hindi ba sa buong mundo usually, kasi nagsasacrifice yung mga kabataan dahil sa mga politicians, di ba? May mga politicians na masasabi natin na pasintabi na po ng mga korap, pero real talk po yan. Marami, isipin na lang natin na ang kabataan ay nag-iintay para sa magandang kinabukasan ng bawat ng buong mundo, di ba? Anyway, ayan, sobrang ganda. Chen, Char, you nailed it. And of course si Daddy Franz, sobrang galing ni Daddy Franz. And namiss ko si Dodzo, di ba? Pero meron pa akong 3 gagawa na reaction video, kaya susunod-sunod rin na natin yan. Itotodo na natin to. Anyway, ayan, if you enjoyed watching this reaction video, please don't forget to give your thumbs up. And if you're just new on my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to click the tiny bell button to get notified on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe also, Franz Rhythm, ang ating pinakamamahal na family band. And of course, subscribe na din po yung aking isang channel, ang DJB Israel. Ayan, bye-bye everyone. Ayan, see you ulit sa susunod pa. Ito, gagawin pa natin ng reaction video yung mga susunod na kanta ng Franz Rhythm. Bye-bye everyone. I love you all.